This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Got the same theme here, which is Avenue. So you can just go to Design, Custom CSS, and then you right-click, Inspect Element, and you'll go to Mobile. So you'll use Add Media Only for this. And then to find this, you will do that. So it's going to be hashtag product list width. And start with 48%. Five pixels maybe. And then you just want to make the image wider 100%. So you can just hit save. And then you've got two next to each other, so that should work. I mean, if it's too big, you can just make it smaller on the width. But that's it.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.